main road going to SM, and this in the Philippines at this time of night everything comes alive.
Yeah.
So we come to have a look at the Ukay here. Again, this is the road going to SM. SM's just to the right hand side. So we just thought we'd show you this and then go to the other Ukay and show you what's happening in Plaza.
Yes. Because I'm gonna buy you clothes as well.
Yeah. This is where I get all my clothes from because they're all
cheap.
Top of the range.
Yeah,
and
they are cheap. Yeah, me too as well. Let's go.
Let's have a look.
Forget about the white one.
Yeah. She gets me white and it goes grey.
Grey.
I said, I'm sure the shirt was white when I bought it.
35, 35, 35. Short.
Very cheap.
Yes.
Very
cheap.
Now, normally, if you get a pair of shorts, they're about 50 pesos.
Yeah. 75, 50 pesos.
But these have got holes in them, babe.
That is design.
That's the what?
Design.
That's the design, is it?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay.
It's a lot there, over there. Right. Here, t-shirt, 50 pesos. 2 for 80. 1 for 50. Yeah.
2 for 80.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's the only thing that you can find bigger size in Ukay, right?
Yeah. That's the problem in the Philippines, guys. If you're a big guy like me or bigger, you need to bring plenty of t-shirts, underwear, that kind of thing, because it's very difficult to get big sizes. Unless you go to somewhere like SM, you'll get big sizes there. But of course, you'll pay premium.
4 packets of...
Why have you got no big trousers? You haven't got any long trousers, have you?
But it's for boys. Look what...
I'm not saying...
Like what Ralph had. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not saying them. I'm just saying, why haven't you got any long trousers?
Yeah.
Oh, what's these?
Short, 20.
There you go. We need you to have lots and lots of shorts.
Oh my God.
So anyway, guys, we love coming walking along here and the other Ukay. Is it Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday, Mal?
Yeah.
So it's only 3 days, and they start late because they're going to wait till the shops shut it down.
Yes.
But you can basically get anything here. And I tell you what, guys, you know, a lot of people will turn their nose off, but there's a lot of good stuff here.
Yes.
If you just look through, over the other side of the bridge, there's Adidas. Of course, they're genuine.
Yeah, Adidas. Yeah, this is my clothes. It's Ukay as well.
Yeah.
Even my clothes.
She never shops anywhere other than Ukay, do you, babe?
Yeah. Yes. I'm addicted.
She's addicted.
Especially when I was a single. I'm very addicted, but now not really.
But now she's addicted to the Philippines lottery as well, aren't you, baby?
Yes.
She likes the banana scratch card, guys.
Yes.
So we're going to show you the other Ukay, then we're going to finish off in Plaza.
Yes. Until there, oh.
So it's just up till the garage. Some on the other side as well, look. We'll not bother because the traffic's a bit bad as usual at this time of day. Another 10 years, I don't think you'll be able to move in Naga or most cities, wherever you are. I just love it. So tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. Always remember, if you don't comment, if you don't give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, YouTube doesn't push our videos. And as you can see by the views, we need a little bit more help.
Yeah. Shout out.
So we'll take you to the next Ukay, which is before you go over the bridge to 101.
Yeah.
So see you in a moment. It's on the other side, but we missed them. We passed before we actually got So these are all second hand,
Yeah, but they are in good
but
condition.
they're in good condition, most of them anyway.
Yeah.
But hey babe, there's some lovely shoes over there, look. Let's
Yeah, I
go
know.
over there and
You
have
buy
a
me
look.
that?
Because you need some high heels, don't you?
Oh, there's a bag as well.
Yeah.
There's a bag as well.
Oh look, there's some black high heels there, babe.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, two ones. They're nice. Ooh, they're nice.
Yeah, it looks like small.
Small.
Yeah, it's small.
What?
Small.
Small what?
Sorry, I forgot here in the video. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
too small. Oh well,
It's
never
going
mind.
to buy.
See, I'd have bought you them. You know, when I first come to
Small.
the Philippines, I had quite a large savings. And then when I met Mal, I wanted to buy her all kinds of different. You've got big feet, babe. That's what it is. I wanted to buy her all kinds of new stuff. I didn't want to buy second hand. And she's going, no, I want to go to Ukay. And it got to the point where I just didn't bother anymore.
Yeah, I like that black, but it's very small.
The black's lovely,
Yeah.
lovely. Mind you, I mean, have you got any training shoes?
I have.
Oh, I bought you some new ones, didn't I?
Yeah. But
Oh,
it's not good.
So let's go to the other.
Chris buy me shoes, but it's not good, guys, because it's only cheap.
Well, thanks for telling them that now.
So we just walking, guys, and then we saw them that they catching fish.
Catching fish
Yeah.
in Naga's river.
Yeah.
So we're just walking to the other Ukay, then Plaza, and we come across
saw
this
them.
lovely couple. They're very,
Yeah.
very kind.
Yeah.
And they said they've caught the fish and they're going to show us the fish. What kind of fish is it?
Pangasos.
And,
Pangas.
well, you can call it dory.
Dory fish.
Yeah.
Right.
Dory fish.
I'm getting close to you because of the mic, not because I love you. huh?
Oh.
It's better. Can we open?
We can see.
Here, the fish.
Look, it's quite big, guys. I hope you can see it.
You bring it up so that it's
Oh my God.
That's quite big.
Yeah.
Can you remember the first fish I caught was about like that?
that's normal. We are not happy.
Yeah, we're not lucky we were fishing.
Emma, siya.
Jay.
Jay. Emma and Jay. Thank you.
Emma and Jay, thank you.
Thank you.
And I've just tried to have a look, but because I've not got my glasses on, it's very difficult. But basically, the local government sponsored this monument to honour the soldiers who died fighting against the Spanish
Yeah.
from Naga.
Yes.
So that's just a very, very brief. I'm sorry to the
Information.
locals. It wasn't a very good
Explanation.
explanation, but I tried.
Yes.
Well, I'm a little bit disappointed, guys. This is where the night market normally is,
Yes.
but they're not allowed to come on here anymore,
Yeah.
which is again pretty disappointing.
They just put on the side of the road there.
So they're on the side of the road
Yeah, we will
over
show
here,
it to you later, guys.
and it's just like a normal day at People's Mouth.
Yeah. It's that they save you.
I don't know, who is it? Oh, this is my friend Ralph. He's the cameraman.
Yes. And
Just in
editing.
case you were wondering.
Shout out to Adrian and Ate Connie. They arrived in Philippines.
Yay! Who else said would they give us? would they give
Kiran,
us a
shout
shout?
out to Kiran as well.
Hi, my
Somebody else
friend
said
Kuya
they'd give us a
Kiran.
shout out. I can't remember. My memory's terrible. Absolutely terrible. So, we'll take you onto Plaza and show you how busy it is.
Yes.
You watch we get there and it's not.
Yes.
Yes,
we,
it's a
we
Sunday
just
now.
tried the street food there.
Yeah, there's a lot of
If
different
good.
kind of
Different kind of street food.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's back to normal now, guys. That
Yeah.
was before the pandemic. It's absolutely packed at night. You can't move.
Someone's grab my phone. I will kill you.
Yeah, my GoPro's not working, so we're trying Mel's phone. So the video looks a little bit different.
It's easy, guys, to grab my phone. Oh, look.
Yeah, she's left the phone over there, and it's easy to steal. So
Yeah.
let's hope that doesn't go.
So, let's go.
Let's go. Just a quick one, guys. I keep getting asked, can I recommend any hotels?
Near in Naga.
Villa Caceres, that's in Magsaysay, and the Villa
Villa Rosetta.
Rosita in Naga. And it's like maybe 5 minutes away from Plaza.
Yes.
So
That is the market.
they're the only two hotels I would recommend.
How about the Morabil Hotel?
Well, you recommend it then.
Yeah, I recommend the Villa Hotel.
I don't know.
What's the name of
I
the
need to know the name, babe.
Morabil Hotel. Morabil.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I recommend that as well.
There.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dazlox, Gladio Atlantian, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, a Brit's Philippines destination, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Rick's Destination Cebu, Albarjit, Ferre Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvair, Didus Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.